Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful customer engagement tools in Odoo 19, the live chat feature. Let's see how Odoo 19 live chat makes team collaboration and customer conversations easier than ever. It's easier than ever as conversations are directly forwarded to an operator with the right expertise, and the concurrent chat feature limits the number of conversations a live chat operator can handle at the same time, keeping my team from feeling overwhelmed. When a colleague takes the chat over in the afternoon, they see all the info they need in the side panel so they can prioritize and respond faster. And then they'll send the visitor a copy of the conversation, making it easy for the client to revisit the exchange anytime and keep all the information on hand. On my side, I can track all ongoing conversations with the new live chat dashboards. That's how Odoo 19 Live Chat helps teams stay organized, responsive, and customer-focused, all from one centralized platform. If you're looking to implement or customize live chat as part of your ERP ecosystem, O2B Technologies can help you tailor it to your business needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials and ERP insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.